Before buying a massage gun, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many look similar, but the real differences go way deeper than the surface. Let's uncover the top 5 Reamoo massage guns that can truly help you recover and relax. Product number 1, TOLOCO Massage Gun Black. First up is the TOLOCO Massage Gun in Black. Priced at $59.99, it caught my attention with its impressive features, especially for athletes. If you want quick pain relief after a tough workout, this is worth a serious look. With 10 interchangeable massage heads, you're equipped to tackle tight spots anywhere on your body. Plus, it runs quietly, operating at just 40-50 decibels, so you can enjoy your massage without disturbing anyone around you. With over 62,100 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many users are satisfied with this model. Now, some people complained about the need for 2 AAA batteries. Here's the thing though, once you charge it, the long battery life of up to 6 hours really makes up for that initial hassle. If you're someone who wants a powerful massage gun without the noise, this could be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you're an athlete or someone who just needs quick muscle relief after workouts. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, as it weighs nearly 2 pounds. But for the value, it's a solid buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a slightly lower price point. Product number 2, TOLOCO Massage Gun Silver. Next up, we've got another TOLOCO model, this time in silver, priced at just $39.99. It's definitely more budget-friendly and still packed with features. If you're looking for a reliable massage gun without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Like its black counterpart, it comes with 10 massage heads for targeting various muscle groups. The quieter operation at 40-50 decibels means you can use it at home or the gym without bothering anyone. With the same high rating of 4.4 stars from over 62,100 reviews, it's proven to be popular among users. Some users have pointed out that it feels a bit heavier at 2.1 pounds. But honestly, that weight helps it deliver a more solid massage. So if you don't mind a little heft, this one packs a punch. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a solid deep tissue massage. Skip this if you need a lighter option, as the weight might be a concern for some. Overall, the price-to-performance ratio is fantastic. Now, if the weight of the previous model bothered you, this next one is a bit more compact and easier to handle. Product number 3, RAEMAO Active Power Massage Gun. Moving on, we have the RAEMAO Active Power Massage Gun, priced at $69.99. This one caught my eye because it's been officially endorsed by the International Massage Association. If you want a professional-grade massage gun, this is definitely worth a serious look. This gun features a powerful brushless motor with a 12 amplitude, delivering up to 45 pounds of massage intensity. It also has an LED touch display for easy control over speed settings and battery life. With 6 massage heads and a long battery life, plus a built-in timer for safety, it checks all the boxes. Its rating of 4.6 stars from over 30,300 reviews shows it's a favorite among users. Now, some users did mention that it's a bit pricier than some other models. Here's the thing, the quality and performance are hard to beat, especially for serious athletes or anyone needing deep tissue work. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and powerful professional-grade option. Skip this if you want something simpler or more budget-friendly, as it comes with a higher price tag. But if you're serious about muscle recovery, it's worth every penny. Alright, that was a powerful option. But the next product on my list might just add a twist to your recovery routine. Product number 4, TOLOCO Massage Gun Deep Tissue. Fourth on the list is the TOLOCO Massage Gun Deep Tissue, available for $35.99. This is the most affordable option here and still has some impressive features. If you're just starting your search and want a solid entry-level massage gun, this is worth a serious look. With 10 replacement heads, you can customize your massage experience for any part of your body. It operates quietly under 40 decibels, so you won't disturb anyone while getting your relief. It has a rating of 4.5 stars from over 11,800 reviews, showing that it's well received. However, some users have mentioned that the battery life could be improved. Here's the thing though, for its price point, it's pretty decent, and if you're not using it for extended sessions, it should meet your needs just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a good budget option for muscle relief. Skip this one if you plan on using it extensively without regular charging. But for casual use, it's hard to beat at this price. Now, if you're after something with a unique feature, the last product has you covered. Product number 5, RAEMAO Active Thermocool 2 Massage Gun. Last but not least, we have the RAEMAO Active Thermocool 2 Massage Gun, priced at $89.99. This one stands out because it includes heat and cold therapy options. If you want to elevate your recovery game, this is definitely worth a serious look. This dual functionality is excellent for muscle recovery, as it can provide soothing relief or refreshing coolness depending on your needs. It also has a high-capacity battery and runs quietly at just 40 dB, making it perfect for any setting. With a strong rating of 4.6 stars from over 30,300 reviews, it's clearly a hit. Some users have said it's on the pricier side. But honestly, if you're looking for a massage gun that can do more than just massage, this investment can truly enhance your recovery routine. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional tool for muscle recovery. Skip this one if you want a simple massage experience without added features, but for the value it brings, it could be worth the spend. So there you have it, 5 great options for Reamoo massage guns. From the budget-friendly TOLOCO model to the multifunctional RAEMAO with heat and cold therapy. Whether you're a casual user, an athlete, or someone looking for professional-grade relief, there's something here for you. I hope this helps you find the perfect massage gun for your needs.